Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a 4K image to a USB flash drive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to a USB flash drive as well as an image that was exported in 4K. So we can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Finder. Now let's locate the 4K image. Let's go to my YouTube channel. 4K. We have a 4K image on screen that was exported by 3840 by 2160. Click on this. Close preview. Right click. Get information. And there we go. So let's now close information again. Let's now highlight the image, right click, copy, paste to the desktop. Let's now quit Finder. Now let's bring in the USB flash drive into the frame. Wait for that to load up on screen. And there we go, USB-1. Open that up. Increase the Finder size. Let's now change the view of the icons. Go back to the desktop, highlight that image, right click, copy, go back into the USB via Finder, paste item, and there we go. We have transferred an image from the Mac computer to our USB flash drive. Let's quit Finder. Let's now eject the USB. Remove from the machine. Let's now think that we are opening up this USB in a brand new computer. Insert that USB, should show up on screen. Open up USB-1 and there we have that image on screen. Let's now open the image up and there we go, a 4K image transferred to USB via the Mac computer. We can now quit preview. Command W to quit Finder. Command E to eject the USB flash drive. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.